Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy Lightroom presets in the photo. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Now to copy the presets, tap onto the edit button and tap one photo where you want to copy the edits that you have did. Then tap onto the three line dots. Here you can find the option of copy settings. Simply go ahead and select it. Then after analyzing, simply tap onto the check mark right here. Now you can see the settings have been copied. Now go back and choose one photo that you want to paste the copy. Now again tap onto the three dot lines right here. Here you can find the paste settings. Now tap on it. Here you can find the settings has been pasted. And that's it. This is how you can copy the Lightroom presets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.